How to change the display refresh rate for your Galaxy A16 phone, and I'll also show you the screen mode or display colors options. And this is for the Galaxy A16 phone with Android 15. When you're ready to do this, go into the quick access like this here, tap on the settings toggle right there. And once you're there, you'll go down until you see display. From here now, you want to go down to where it says motion smoothness. That's also refresh rate. So as you enter here, you have two options, and the default settings will be the 90, which is the highest this phone can go. This is the A16 5G model. So it's 90 at most. You have the 60, which is going to be less battery usage if you're into that, and it's up to you. Once you make that selection, be sure to apply for it to save. Now, once you're done here, you can come out and go to the screen mode. And usually at default, the screen mode is going to be set to the best option possible, which is the vivid. You can use these images to get an idea of the color differences. Vivid is going to give you the white balance, which will allow you to have your display much cool looking or much yellow looking on the white areas, all right? And you also have the advanced settings here, which will give you these here, the RGB settings, the red, green, white, red, green, blue, and then the vividness. That's going to increase your vividness, which kind of just makes the colors stand out more and a slight bit of brightness when you increase it. Now, other than that, if you just want something basic and simple, you can just go to the natural and whatever colors are there will be shown there. No vividness, none of that stuff. That's with the natural. So if I were you, just go with the vivid and that's that, like and sub.